Come thrifting with me at arguably the most beautiful store I've ever been to, called the Brown Elephant in Chicago. You first step in and there's home goods, so many good things, good prices. I found these crate and barrel pieces right off the bat for an amazing price. All art was 50% off, and when I tell you it was flying off the walls, people were coming in, snatching things so fast. Everything was so reasonably priced in here, and I was so geeked. I made my way to the grand entrance of the clothing area. This place was massive. I was dying, geeking over anthropology, cute little finds, airy, chunky sweaters. Oh my god, there were so many cool things. I was just soaking it up. I spent over an hour in this area. It was just so incredible to see everything. And like I said, all the prices were so good. I was so excited. And then by the time I was leaving, there were so many people in here. I was so glad I got here right at open. Doc Martens, vintage, insane pieces. Like, everything was so cool. I was just so excited to be in here. I had the book area and the records and CDs, and Steven found a typewriter and he was showing some customers. We had the best time. We will definitely come back. Let me show you what I found. I started with a Vici swimsuit, a little graphic tee, brand new with tags items, some Lululemon, of course. I found these plus size Madewell jeans shorts and I was dying. A lot of comfies, and then a cutie boutique, Urban Outfitters, another comfy piece. This one's super cute, Madewell, and then we have more boutique items. I love the sleeves on this. A linen kimono to die for. This little vintage piece was so cute. I love graphics. And then I have this American Eagle vest, and then so many cans and Judy Blue jeans. I was freaking out. They're so good. I love these Levi ribcage, and then two Athleta tanks. See ya. With this beaded top, I am in love. This is Abercrombie, new with tags. We have an airy tank top and then a vintage silk vest. Insane. These Free People shorts are so cute. And then I found not one but two vintage skirts. Oh my goodness. I have these Abercrombie joggers and then a waffle knit from Aerie. This white fox pullover was so cool. And then I found some Gymshark leggings, a new with tags Madewell top. It's very gauzy. And then we have two pairs of Abercrombie jeans and then some American Eagle. If you like shopping secondhand, follow for more. So we're putting it in 2x speed, so keep up. We have some Abercrombie, really cool new with tags pieces. We have vintage, more new with tags. I love the neutrals. Oh my goodness, this was so adorable. And then we have this gauzy jumpsuit, a iconic pair of pajamas, and this insane vintage dress. More vintage. Oh my god, these are so darling. These rib knit pants, a boutique sweater, some airy boutique jeans, and this beautiful vintage leather trim. Okay, you guys, check out this amazing thrift haul. We start out with some Urban Outfitters, Free People new with tags. This little mini dress was Free People, and then we got into some beautiful vintage pieces. I love picking up tank tops at this time of year because no one's looking in the tank tops, except me, it feels like. I love this little geometric sports bra, and then this super comfy bouncy tee was so good. I love this like linen-y huge bubble sleeve, and then we have flannels, some cutie little layering pieces, more flannels, really good basics, cotton, linen, all the good things. Here's a cashmere piece, a wool in cashmere, some more wool. Oh my god, this one's designer actually. I love vintage and modern pieces, so we have a really good mix. Of course, we have some neutrals, and then at the end, we have a bunch of silk. I am obsessed with all of these. If you want to shop any of these pieces, check out my live sale tonight on Instagram, and I hope to see you there. See you next time. This place was huge. It had an amazing room of home decor and prints and stuff, but we started in the dresses and found a Jonathan Simkai designer dress, and I was shocked. And this vintage piece was stunning for spring. I'm so excited about it. This one's a boutique, like $200 dress. I don't know what the deal was, but I was finding designer, beautiful vintage. This one was silk, and then inside out Lululemon. I just knew the feeling, and I was right. And then there was more, and I was so excited. I left this Zara behind, but I love the bubblegum pink color, and And then we found some Viore that was like practically brand new. Such a good find. And then right behind it was an Aritzia piece, but I wasn't obsessed with it, so I ended up leaving it behind. But I did take home these little vintage ballet flats. How cute are these? We found some Free People and then some Athleta. I actually found quite a bit of Athleta. This is a vintage skirt, and then this Free People one. Oh my goodness, it's so darling. I'm so obsessed. I left this Anthropologie behind for someone else.